guys! Today we'll make a button-shaped flower, which is a super easy flower to make. The full list of supplies will be provided in the description box below, or you can check our blog for more details. So let's get started. The first step will be to cut a strand of ribbon that is 4 inches long. You will then fold it in half and stitch the ends, forming the shape of a circle. The stitch should be about 1/8 of an inch. Once you're done stitching, you will turn your circle around so that the stitches or the seam is actually facing inwards. In the next step, you will stitch one of the open sides of the circle. The stitching should be done really close to the edge of the ribbon. Note that the stitching all around should be about 1/8 of an inch. And once you're done, you should pull the thread in order to wrinkle the fabric. This side will actually become the bottom of your flower. Ensure to give it a few extra stitches to secure it in place. Now you will add a cotton ball and begin stitching this side of the flower. The stitching can be done right by the edge of the ribbon or about 1/8 below the edge. That's up to your preference. Before finishing the flower, grab about 4 single-sided stamens and fold the wires in half. Twist them a little bit in order to keep them together and tie them using some thread, as you see in this video. Once ready, you will place the stamens in the middle of your flower or the middle of the cotton ball, which is the same. And then you will pull the thread in order to close the flower. Give it a few extra stitches to secure the stamens in place and to keep the flower closed, and your flower is pretty much ready. You can use this little and cute flower to add a little extra touch to your projects. We add this a lot to our 3 and 5 petal flower arrangements. We actually did tutorials on this type of flower, so I will leave the links at the end of this video for reference. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time. Thanks!